Step 4. View rewards. You can access your reward details by navigating to the DAO page. You'll see 6 reward pools, which are Resonance Pool, Level Pool, Referral Pool, Service Pool, Reciprocal Pool, Incentive Pool. Each reward pool can be clicked individually to view the corresponding reward breakdown. In the Resonance Pool, you'll find the following information: your claimable bonus, personal as holdings, direct referral count, unlocked generations, historical bonus records, and claim records. In the Level Pool, in addition to all data from the Resonance Pool, you'll also be able to view your community level, sub-community volume, total community volume. In the Referral Pool, you'll see your personal holdings, community level, titled members within 10 generations. Other pools like the Service Pool, Reciprocal Pool, Incentive Pool follow a similar structure. You can enter each one individually to explore detailed information.